Welcome back to Nuksan. In today's video, we're exploring the morning habits you need to avoid to better manage your emotions and set a positive tone for your day. First, hitting the snooze button might feel good, but it disrupts your sleep cycle and leaves you feeling groggy, affecting your mood and focus. Checking your phone right away spikes your stress levels, so try to start your morning screen-free. Skipping breakfast can lead to irritability and low energy, so fuel your body with something nutritious. Also, avoid consuming too much caffeine without hydrating. First, your body needs water to kickstart metabolism and brain function. Negative self-talk and rushing without a plan can set a stressful tone for the day, so instead start with positive affirmations and a clear plan. Lastly, neglecting an emotional check-in means you're missing out on a chance to assess your feelings and needs for the day. By being mindful of these habits, you can take control of your mornings, boost your mood, and navigate your day with calm and confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nuksan for more insights on leading a balanced, mindful life.